I am going to demonstrate how to assist a service user out of bed using the tracking, or otherwise known as the overhead hoist. To apply the hoist sling to the service user, we need to roll the service user onto their side. Once a service user is on their side, the second carer then places the sling over the service user's back, ensuring that the hoop is in the central part of the back. The service user is then rolled onto their back. Hopefully, there will be enough sling for us to pull the sling back through. If this hasn't happened, then the service user needs to roll the opposite direction to enable us to pull the sling through. We then need to apply the leg straps by using palm on the foot and the back of the hand under the knee to bend the leg to put the leg straps under, so therefore we are able to connect the dignity straps. We then need to lower the hoist. Again, working at chest level, we then connect the straps to the hoopage system. Once again, using the shortest hoop for shoulders and the longest hoop for legs. The hoist is then raised up and the service user will start to go into a seated position. Once in a seated position, we then assist the service user using the remote control to their desired area that they would like to sit.